So, how's everyone's vacay? How's everyone's day? This is the best, Croatia is the best place I've ever seen. I make cookies, so we have snacks for days. Croatia, I call Festrum to be alone. Because, Travis isn't here. I understand, of course. I'll make some food and goodies. Spain. Croatia, this is the best. This is the greatest place. Kiss the cheek. I love making everyone happy. Croatia, want to show room? Yeah, sure. Zane? Zane said you're sharing a room. Call him sweet. Delicious. No! Yes, you are. Ha ha. Yes. Stop it, guys. After? And? Looks like they're talking about something. Come on, guys. Let's go inside. I have Alexander right here on Pet Eminent. Alexander, you may do that. I'm pretty sure I can have this room. I'm gonna go upstairs and see if I want. Oh wait, I see them walking. I'll go hide over here. So everyone go upstairs. But Zane, he could be down here still. I don't know. I didn't see Zane. Okay, let's go upstairs and see where everyone is. Ooh, that's a room. I'll go the last. Let's go this room. Oh, Gaius. Hey. So that's your room. This is Caitlin's room, of course. She wanted to be by herself for a reason. And then over there could be Afna and Aaron. Let's see. I'm excited for the wedding. Oh, hey, Aaron. Is it just me, or did she just fall asleep? Nope, just you. Okay. Happy day. Good night, Amazon pies. Happy day. Well, I guess me and Zane have the downstairs room, or Zane could be on the boat still. Who knows anymore? Of course, me and Zane are gonna share the room with the black bed. At least we got a TV, at least, right? Yes. A TV. Put that there. Okay. I wonder where Zane is, though. Alexander! Congratulations. You created a new kind of love.
Wait, what?
Congratulations. I'm in love with the Poirito. I'm in love with the Poirito. Oh, I got my pants all wet. And half my shirt. I'm in love with the Poirito. I'm in love with the Poirito. I think I want this squeezes. Oh? Okay, I'm pretty good so far. Ooh, I can lay on these. Feels so It's all like troubles ahead of us. I wonder what everyone else is doing. Where's Alexander? Alexander! Oh, there he is. Hamilton. Yeah. I love Hamilton so much. That's why I made Alexander. Alexander, time to go to my room. I don't think Zane's still off the boat, so I'll give him my time. I do. Oh. So I got Oreo cookies, some ramen, and some Sprite and stuff. I got some foods for everyone, so I'm gonna go give some bread to Afma and Aaron because I know they love bread. Because I know Afma loves breadsticks, and this is basically breadsticks. It's like garlic bread. So, guys, I got you some garlic bread. Seems like Afma's so asleep. You go. Here is there's no poopsie. Wait, I think there is a poopsie. Aaron, you can have the Coke. I'll go get the poopsie. I know Afma loves poopsie. Poopsie, poopsie. I got the poopsie. Going upstairs to give Afma the poopsie. Doo-doo-doo. I'm so tired. You got meow. Got some Sprite and some Fanta. Caitlin and Wyeth. Caitlin? But the long. Caitlin, here is some Sprite. I got a Mountain Dew. Okay, wait. Caitlin, I got you an Oreo cookie. I got some ramen for you and stuff. Here you go. Let's go to Afma and Aaron's room. Let's get garlic bread. Here's some cookies. Tastes so good. I do need to get some food to Zane, but he's not here. So I'm just making some waffles. I know Aaron loves some waffles. Oh, I have to remake them. Don't taste as good as like last time. Okay. I made waffles. I think Alexander will like them. Alexander, I got you some waffles. What the heck? Why is that couch half melted? No, you just don't want it. No. Oh, get out. Here we go. Okay. I think that's good. That's good. That is good. Okay, so love you, Alexander. I'm going upstairs now.